Hey, welcome. Take a breath with me. This flow is a soft grounding flow to help you come back into your body. Move only as much as you need to. To begin, come to your fours. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Move in a figurative 8. Switching directions. Coming back to your fourth, spine neutral. We're going to move into our spinal waves. So you come to child pose. Cow, cobra, cat, child. Back still onto your fours. Lift your left leg up and circle. Bring the leg down and switch sides. Bring back the leg back down. Your left leg steps between your two hands. Make sure your knee is tracking over your heel. Your left hand goes on top of your left leg and your right hand leans across. This gives you a good side stretch. It's okay if you're shaking here. Hold here for a bit. Bring your hand down. Bring your foot back. Your right leg comes up between your legs. Make sure your crotch is dropping to the ground. Your right hand goes over your leg and your left hand goes up, leaning towards your right, giving you a gentle side stretch. Hold here. Allow gravity to do the work. Oh. Bring your hands down. Your hand come into plank. And then downward facing dog. You can pedal here. And you can hold for 5 breaths. Bringing your legs together. Look on top of your mat. And hop or walk. Forward fold. Half fold. Forward fold. And gently roll up. Come into the side of your mat. Open up your feet. Your toes facing outside as wide as you can, and sink into your goddess pose. Take deep breaths here. This is a very tough pose, even for me. Come up. Ooh. Now to our balance. Our last pose, which is a balance variation. Shift your whole weight into your left leg. Find balance before deciding to lift the leg up. Hands to heart position. If you find yourself wobbling, be kind and take it up again. Find a point to focus on. You can take the feet up higher for more balance. Again, if you wobble or shake like I am, it's okay. Switching legs. I like to lift mine up. Be kind to yourself here. It's okay if you don't find balance fully yet. Bring the leg back down. Forward fold. Allow the whole body to release down. Hands on your mat. Come back to downward facing dog. Into a plank. And then your fours. Find our last relaxation pause. Come down to Savasana. Wiggling your fingers. Start to come back. Move your hands softly. Roll up on your side and come up to a seated position. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you did build strength quietly. I hope you are proud of yourself for showing up for yourself. And I hope I'll see you next time. And I hope, so many I hopes. I hope you have a good week. And I hope you did set your intention for the week that carry you throughout. Bye. See you on the next one.